Here's the turn on switch. The outlet thing is not too bad. It comes wrapped so you can keep it all hidden behind your item. I just turned it on. There's a light right under here. And I cover it up a little bit with this because I think it looks kind of cool. And I put a few rocks here. And you can split the way the thing comes down. You can put a rock right underneath where it drips and it silences it. So if it makes too much noise for you, you just take one of these pebbles and put it directly under the drip and there's no noise. And then as you can see inside, you put the rest of the rocks, and when you're not even, you know, you'd think, because some of the equipment is open and you don't even see it. It is a yellow light, which I kind of wish it was a white light, but it works out good even with my silver background in my kitchen. But if I want more noise, I just, like I said, move the rocks. It increases the noise. And some people really like more noise because they get the hearing of the water to relax them. But you can see the size. There's my countertop, a standard countertop with the cabinet underneath. I'm going to buy another one of these for my classroom.